Hello, my name is Alfred and welcome to the channel. Today we're fixing my pit bike in very unprofessional ways because there's no parts available. So we're gonna make a new seat, very unprofessional, and we're gonna bolt some stuff back together and hopefully ride it by the end of the day. Yeah, let's get started. So I drilled holes here in the frame and now we're making a seat of a wooden plank. Professionals here. Professionals at work. It's gonna be really bad, but it will be cheap. I was looking for real seats, but I found one at a good price in UK, but they didn't ship outside the UK, and I'm in Sweden, and the ones that's here doesn't seem to fit. Since it's a Chinese bike, yeah. You can't really search the model name, since it doesn't exist.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
according to me, the seat didn't turn out really as bad as I thought it would. I'm gonna put some gear on and go for a ride. Yeah, that's my plan. We should tighten the chain. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and fix that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
thank you so much for watching. This turned out better than I thought it would. At least the seat did. The exhaust was just repaired, we didn't make a new one. And yeah, managed to do some wheelies for the first time on this, like with the feet down. Yeah, but it's fun anyway. I never did that. I mean, I tried to wheel it, but I never like managed to get it up. I didn't think about you could keep your feet down. I also tried to like lift the bar, but since it doesn't have any gears, it's pretty hard, or it doesn't even have a clutch. Yeah, but that's really nice. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, I would like it, but I'm not begging. Do what you want. I hate begging. See you.